Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials and launching the app. Make sure your device has 20% plus battery and connectivity enabled. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Charging Play and sign in with your credentials so your profile and preferences load. Grant the requested permissions, location, notifications, and battery optimizations, because the app uses them to detect chargers and maintain background operations. After permissions are accepted, tap Start Session to initiate the charger discovery workflow and move to pairing. You now pair and configure the session. Select the nearby charger shown on screen and verify its model and signal strength so you avoid wrong ports. Then choose a charging mode, fast for speed, balanced for longevity, or eco for savings, and review the time and cost estimates so you know what to expect. Once satisfied, authorize payment or allocate credits and accept the session terms. After confirmation, tap Connect. The app negotiates with the charger and begins power delivery automatically. Finish the session by watching the real-time metrics and confirming charge level and cost. When you reach your target, stop the session inside the app and wait for a clear confirmation before unplugging to avoid data loss or billing errors. If things go wrong, pairing fails, or the charger won't start, first toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, then restart the app. If that does not help, reboot your device and retry. If issues persist, capture the error code and contact support using the in-app report feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.